Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful, like a my everyday glam look. This is like a look that I would throw together with either pinks, browns, or peaches for an everyday kind of look. So that's why I'm calling it Everyday Glam. And it's using the BeautyBay Retro Love palette. This palette is great. I believe you can still get it off of BeautyBay's website. And they usually always have sales. So BeautyBay is amazing. If you haven't tried them, you definitely should. We're going to start off by using the Profusion eyeshadow primer, and I don't need any powder to catch fallout because BeautyBay eyeshadows usually they're powdery in the pan, but they don't have fallout on the face, even the darker ones. It's pretty amazing. So first up, I'm taking this pretty pink shade from the palette. It is a light pink shade, and honestly it does lean a bit on the coral side. So this corally shade in the crease, just kind of building that up little by little. And then in the outer corner, I'm going to be taking this shade called Brown Eyed Girl, which is absolutely beautiful. And it's just a nice chocolatey brown. Look how pigmented and rich that eyeshadow is. It takes little to no building up because the BeautyBay eyeshadows, I'm serious, if you've never tried them, they're amazing. They build up very nicely, blend out very easily into one another, and they are the most pigmented eyeshadows I've ever tried and used. Yeah, and I've tried a lot of eyeshadows. So that was just going in the outer corner. Now for the lid, I'm using Good Vibrations, and it's a shimmery icy pink. And no need to foil this or, you know, get your brush wet to apply this. I just apply it straight to the lid. They adhere very nicely, and as you can tell, they are very shimmery and metallic, and they are eye-catching. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, and once again easily blended into the other two shades. Next, I'm taking Chapel of Love, which is just a matte white eyeshadow. I'm going to use this for the brow bone, so you're going to see me pressing the white under the brow, and then I'm going to kind of start blending that in with the crease shade, going around all the edges and just meshing the crease shade and the brow bone together. Furthermore, with a blending brush, and just keep going over that until I feel that it is blended to my liking. So I'm going to be taking Love Train, which is a shimmery white shade, and using that in my inner corner. And I'm just going to apply that, and that's going to open up the eyes and bring a lot of light into the look in the inner corner there. Now lower lash line, I'm just applying the pink that I applied in the crease, and I'm going to be taking the WetnWild Breakup eyeliner to tightline with, and then I'm going to be taking the Santee gel eyeliner, which I found off Shop SA. This is in the shade pink, and applying that in the waterline. Now on for lashes, AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and LaColors DramatiLashes in Dainty. These are very pretty lashes. They're easy to apply. On the inner corner, it usually always gives me a little bit of trouble, but after the fuss is over, they're on and gorgeous. That's Revlon's lash curler to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, and once it's done, I'm using the Ioni Volumizing Mascara to further mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, and they're seamless now. For lips, I'm using these Langmanni lip liner and nude liquid lipstick set. You can find these on Temu and possibly on Shein. I love these. I love how this look turned out. It really helps my green eyes to pop as well. And this is just an everyday kind of glam look that I would apply if I want to wear makeup that day. So if you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves, thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more looks using the BeautyBay palettes. Thank you so much for watching.